Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can show system apps on our Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, I'm going to open my settings application. Then we have to go to the app setting. You can scroll down to find the app setting. This one guys, click on this app setting, and here we're going to click on this icon. And if we want to show these system apps, we just need to click on this toggle button and click on OK. And as you can see that these system apps have appeared on my screen. Those are the system apps on my Samsung Galaxy phone. And I guess that's how we can show system apps on our Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.